What's going on, guys? Tar Heel and SoCal here today, and today is a special type of day for us North Carolinians. We got 3 to 5 inches of snow depending on where you step because the wind was blowing heavily last night. But if you guys want to see an epic video, well, it's going to be short and epic. So if you guys want to see it, just stay tuned, and you guys will be seeing more of these videos in the future as like the Germany video and stuff like that. So if you guys like it, drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed, do so because more videos are coming your way in the future just like this one. So be sure to stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun. The wind is blowing like crazy, and this is what I mean. It's just gorgeous.